I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. Changing your plan on Telus Online is pretty straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your Telus account. Go to the Telus website and click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Plans section. Once logged in, look for the Plans or Manage My Plan option in the main menu. This is where you can view your current plan and available options. Step 3. Select Change Plan. In the Plans section, find and click on the Change Plan button. This will take you to a list of available plans tailored to your usage. Step 4. Choose your new plan. Review the options presented and select the plan that best fits your needs. Make sure to check the details, such as data limits and pricing, before proceeding. Quick gotcha: if you see a plan that looks good but has a promotional discount, double check the duration of the offer to avoid surprises on your bill later. Step 5. Confirm your selection. After choosing your new plan, follow the prompts to confirm your selection. You may need to review the changes and accept any terms before finalizing. Once you've completed these steps, your new plan should be active shortly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Telus customer support. Happy planning!